Guys, it's Honest Squishies. So today I'm filming in one of our spare bedrooms because my little brother has some friends over and they're loud. And I don't want them in my videos. I ordered a couple of packages. 3 came in today. There's 1, 2, 3. 2 of these packages are from Kawaii Squish on Instagram, and she also has a shop called Daily Slimes. I'll leave the links in the description below. She makes and sells slimes, and I bought a squishy from her on Instagram. The other package is from an Instagram user called Squished Away, who has great sales. So yeah, let's check out these packages. This one is from Kawaii Squish. So
card that says, "Hi, thank you so much for purchasing. Hope you can find the butter bear to complete the set. It's my favorite. Also, I included some stickers I'm selling on Daily Slimes, my slime account. Anyways, I hope you enjoy." And then these are the usernames: Kawaii Squish and Daily Slimes. She has 2.
the first thing I'll show you guys is this really cute bag of extras. Her business card. So a little extra bun. Some emoji stickers. I got a poop and the hard eye cat. And then we've got some candy. So I don't actually even know what these are. Gudo Cubos. Oh, and a Gudo Pop. Yeah, I don't know what any of this is. So there's a little lollipop. And there's these little cube candies. I don't know if these are like an international thing, but where I'm from in Massachusetts, we don't have these. So that's exciting. Yay! So
New in packaging. Brand new in packaging. So I have the blueberry one. But I mean, I like it, but I wanted to complete the set because I'm obsessed. So that's why she wrote the cute little note about me getting the butter bear. Then I'll have the complete set.
oh, it smells like banana Laffy Taffy. It's so cute. Here it is, guys. The Sleepy Banana Punimaru Jumbo Bear Pancakes.
So soft. It smells so good. These, when I first started collecting squishies, when I saw these, I was like obsessed. I needed one. And it was right when the Pat Pat Zoo pop-up sheeps came out. So I was like, I need the bear pancakes and I need pop-up sheep. And so I was going after like some of the most expensive squishies as my first squishies. So my first squishies that ever came in were Pat Pat Zoo, the blueberry pancakes, and then a little mini panda bun. Those were my 3 first squishies that actually all came in the same day. So very sentimental about these guys. I love them.
That smells so good. I'm gonna give it one more squish. Here it is. A little keychain. It's a little jar jam dust plug. Let's open this guy up. She sent me another extra package, which is so sweet. Another one. And another business card. And she included a baggie of borax. It's a lot of borax. Thank you so much. And this is what I ordered. So I got a 4 ounce of her fudge brownie slime, and she packages so nicely. She even puts tape so that they don't come open. Oh my goodness. Oh guys, it smells just like a fudge brownie. I'm not even kidding. Oh, that smells so good. Woo! Okay, I guess we're playing with it. It's really, I mean, it's a little sticky, but it's not bad. And it's been in the mail from down south, which is hot, so my hands are a little sticky now, but that's okay. It smells amazing. I'm gonna put these on my Instagram later. And Mia is so sweet. When I was ordering, she asked me if I like the smell of orange, and I said, yeah. So she sent me this little extra, this little tiny, I think it's a floam. So let's check this out. This smells like high C. Have you ever had high C? This one's oh my goodness, it feels so nice, but it seems really sticky, so I'm not gonna take it. But it's a floom. I'll definitely do more on that later, but since we have one more package, I don't want to stick it all up. She told me that she wanted to eat it, and I was like, now I understand. So excited about this package. So this is, oh, thank you, Cakey Proof. So this is from user Squished Away. Oh my goodness! The first thing I pull out is this little Hello Kitty loaf extra. That is so sweet. I mean, it's a little defected, but it's an extra. Who cares? That's so nice. This looks good. Oh, a little extra. That's so sweet. You are so sweet. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. This is the Punimaru Jumbo Pink Lemon. Here's the tag. Oh my goodness, so cute with little Chica. And we've got our little acrylic. This thing is huge. It's huge, and I want to take it out so bad. Oh, it's huge. You guys want to know how much she sold this for? $25. I got this for $25 shipped. $25. $25. I'm just gonna throw that out there because normally, like, you find these things on freaking. That was kind of a bad word. Sorry. You find them on like, you guys know. What's that word? Creamy candy and stuff like that, and they're legit almost $40. This was $25 shipped. I'm like amazed. Again, this is Squished Away Cakey Proof, guys. Check this out. Oh my gosh. So thank you very much, Squished Away. I'm gonna have to put all this. Thank you very much, Squished Away. And Kawaii Squish, also Daily Slimes. Go check out my Instagram. It is going to be in the description, but it's Honest Squishies. It's the same on there. I have an ongoing giveaway right now where I'm giving away a little Mafia Chalwa kitten. So go and join that giveaway, USA only. Sorry, I'll do an international next time. It's just so expensive. But yeah, look forward to giving you guys some more videos. Thank you.